How to make money online with CPA marketing. What's up, everybody? James here, and today I want to show you how to make money with CPA marketing. And CPA stands for cost per action. Now, the really exciting thing about CPA marketing is it means you can get paid for driving email opt-ins. In other words, nobody has to buy anything for you to make money with this method, and that's what makes it so great for beginners. If you're somebody who's never made a single dollar online, or you've only made a couple bucks and you want to scale up, this is a great way to get your feet wet and get started with it. Now, if you already are getting some traffic, maybe you have a website or a blog, this is a great way to supplement your income as well, because if you're getting traffic to pages where you're not really selling anything, this might be a good way for you to monetize those pages. So there's 4 easy steps if you want to get started with this, and I'd recommend you do if you like making money online. But here are the 4 steps right here. Step 1, grab my list of profitable affiliate links to promote. And this is probably the most important step, because what I want to do right now is just give you everything up front so you can get started with this. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This is my list of profitable links to promote. These are literally the offers that I promote to make money online. So most of these are different softwares that I use for marketing purposes. There's a few other offers mixed in there. It's mostly software, but what I want to bring your attention to on this list is this first one here. I have it titled Best Affiliate Offer Network. It's called Max Bounty, and you can grab it at the link right down below. This link is howtorank.com/links if you want to go there directly. It's also linked down below the video, but you'll scroll down and here's the button right here, Profitable Links to Promote. You'll be able to download my list of links. Now, if you're into marketing, like I said, there's tons of marketing tools here that you could just start promoting right away. But if you're brand new to all this, if you don't really have anything to promote, you don't have a niche yet, and you're really just looking to find what it is that is going to make you money, this can help. So this is Max Bounty. And actually, before we take a look at this, I know everybody wants to see the proof, so I'll pull up the proof here. This was November 16th, so 2 days ago. I just got a payout of $112 from this. I am new to CPA marketing. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a while, but I just got my first payout of $100, and that's why I want to show you this, so that you can strike while the iron is hot. I could go doing this for 6 months, make $10,000, $100,000, and then show you how I did it. But instead, I want to show you, hey, look, I just figured this out. I just started doing it a couple months ago. It's working. Here's the proof. Here's $100. And here's how you can get started making your first dollar, your first $4.80. So here you can see this offer is called Survey Voices. Here you can see I've got 9 clicks to this offer and 2 leads, which has earned me $4.80. So obviously this offer pays $2.40. Now I'll get into how you drive traffic to all these offers in a minute, but what I want to show you here is what's available on Max Bounty. So you can see here, this is the report of my clicks. So far this month, I've only got the 2 leads on this one Survey Voices offer, but I have clicks to Nintendo Switch offer, Cardio Clear 7, this is a heart health supplement, Amazon gift card, Martha and Marley Spoon, this is ingredient delivery, Vegas.com, travel site. So you can see I'm getting clicks to all of these different offers in various different niches, and that's why I want to show you this here, because no matter what kind of website you have, even if you don't have a website and you want to start promoting something, I'm sure you can find something in here that you can promote. So here is Just Answer Experts for a lawyer. So look, driving leads to a lawyer here. Another one, Ask a Lawyer on Call. We've got Shredded Keto, YouTube Mastery, look, tech career mentoring. So look, whatever you're into, you can find an offer here, and these offers are searchable here. So you could just scroll through these all day long, and it tells you how much they pay per lead. So here we can sort by CPA rate, that's cost per action rate, what you're going to get paid if you send these people leads. So here, look, this tech career mentorship that I told you, I've already got a few clicks to this offer, pays $1,100 per lead. Right? And so you've got all this different stuff, Bitcoin, betting, gambling, you've got CBD, keto, all kinds of stuff on here, right? So that's the first step, is to grab my list of profitable links to promote. And like I said, right at the top here, this is Max Bounty. If you really don't know where to start, this is what I would recommend, starting with Max Bounty here, because you'll be able to browse through all of these different offers until you find something that works for you. But what I want to show you next is you don't need a ton of traffic to make money with this stuff. So obviously you're going to grab this list, then you're going to join affiliate offers or platform. Remember I said there's other offers on this list, so if you wanted to go for one of these down here, the marketing software, you would need to sign up for this and become an affiliate, whereas with the Max Bounty platform, you sign up once and you're suddenly an affiliate for thousands of different offers, and you can start driving clicks and getting leads and making money. So that's step 3, find offers to promote. Once you've grabbed my list, you've signed up for the affiliate platform, the next thing you're going to do is, like I said, search here, or you can browse however you want to find the offers. Find the offers that you are going to promote. So then the last step is to drive traffic using AI or short form video. So that's what I want to show you next, how to actually drive traffic so that you get these clicks and get the leads and start earning passive income online. And this is passive because while I have to put in the work up front to create the content that drives the clicks, once I've done that, these clicks just keep coming month after month. And so, like I said, my first payout was $100, but my goal is to each month increase that to $100, $150, $200, $1,000, and really just scale it as much as I can. So here is the analytics for my blog. Now this blog, it's called Hustle Marketing, spelled with 2 S's instead of a T, Hustle Marketing. I actually bought this expired domain. I wasn't doing much with it. I was basically just using it as a dumping ground anytime I needed to create a link for myself. But what I want to show you here is that when we come down here, so I'm on acquisition source, because I want to see where this traffic to my blog is coming from. And if we look, the number one source of traffic by far, 251 visitors out of 342 came from Google organic search. So that's what I want to show you how to do next, how to create a blog post. Like for example, I'm promoting right now this Martha and Marley spoon ingredient delivery. So if I click on this, this is how it works. It tells you about the offer, right? It tells you you can do 50 actions per day. So this pays $33 per lead. So I can do 50 leads per day, and then generally if you start sending them good traffic, they'll increase it so you can get more actions. But either way, 33 times 50 is what this offer could potentially make me every single day from organic traffic. So to promote this offer, you'll literally just click this button that says build the tracking link, and then they'll give you a code here. You copy the code and you paste it into your website. So this is what it looks like. This is a page on my blog that is promoting this offer. So we have the H1 here at the top, meal delivery in Las Vegas. Then right here, this is one of those banners. You'll copy the code they give you, you paste it in your blog, and it gives you a banner. So boom, now if someone clicks this link and they order food from Martha and Marley Spoon, then I get $33. So you can see here it's just a generic blog post about it. Got some location information, a map, a YouTube video, and I just grabbed their branded video and put it on there. Simple stuff. None of this is complicated. But what I want to show you now that you know how to find the offers, where to get them, how to copy the code, how to actually get these offers on your site, what I want to show you next is how to find keywords and create content that will bring organic traffic to your site to the tune of hundreds of people per month, or potentially thousands as time goes on. Right? So this is a tool I use. It's called Shine Ranker, and you can also find this on this page, howtorank.com/links. If you come website ranking tool, this one right here will bring you to Shine Ranker, which is exactly that, a website ranking tool. So here's how you use it real quick. You'll click this keywords research button. Looks like I need to refresh the page. My internet's being kind of slow. But anyways, you click this button and a little box is going to come up here. Oh, I'm clicking the wrong button, that's why. Click that button and this box is going to come up here. So you'll give it 3 variations of your keyword. You can see it has the examples here: SEO, SEO audit, SEO checklist. So then you'll click submit and it will bring you this data here. Now, if we take a look at this, we can see I have it sorted by monthly searches. So we could see that this keyword, easy TikTok dance to learn, gets searched 4,400 times each and every month. Yet it has a difficulty of 0. As opposed to, say, TikTok marketing, which gets 3,600 searches per month, but has a difficulty of 82. right? So if you target this word, it gets 3,600 searches per month, but you're going to be competing with an awful lot of other websites. Look, the cost per click is $11.91, so almost $12 per click if you were to run ads for this keyword. But instead, if you select this keyword, Easy TikTok Dance to Learn, you're competing with virtually nobody for 4,400 clicks a month. So what you can do is just manually go and type out a blog if you want. But if you want to use AI to save time, what you want to do is just grab this keyword, Easy TikTok Dance to Learn, and then right here inside of this tool, Shine Ranker, there is a tool called the Content Editor. So all we need to do here is put in Easy TikTok Dance to Learn and click Start Editing. So this will take just a second here because my internet connection is super slow right now, but basically this is about to pull up an editor where we can use AI to generate content, and we can do it based on this keyword. There you go, the editor's opened up. So if we put in here, Easy TikTok Dance to Learn, and then we click Generate. And so what we'll do is give this tool a few seconds, and it will spit out hopefully a paragraph of content about an Easy TikTok Dance to Learn. So there we go. TikTok is a popular social media app that allows users to post short videos from their phones. These videos are usually less than 10 seconds long with a catchy song in the background. TikTok was originally called Musical.ly and still has a large following under its former name, but it has made an effort to appeal to more people by changing its name and adding new features. The app has had over 1 billion downloads so far, and there are over 50 million active daily users on the app, according to Business Insider's data. So there you go. You can see that's very coherent. It's very on topic. It's rich with keywords. And literally all we need to do to turn this into a blog post is add just a little bit, right? So we might create our own H1, and obviously we use our keywords. So Easy Dance to Learn on, I don't know why it's being so slow, but either way, you get the idea. Easy Dance to Learn on TikTok. And then we can go ahead and make that the H1. There we go. So now we have H1. We have some content. We could even go ahead and type in a few words of our own, you know. Everyone is crazy about TikTok dances. So which one should you learn? Right? And then we'll give it some more keywords. So maybe you wanted to use the Macarena as a keyword. You put that in there. Or, you know, whatever your favorite dance is, you could put that in there. So let's see. How to do the Macarena. So if we put that in there and generate, let's see what that comes up with. Give it just a second here. There we go. So the Macarena is a Spanish dance that was very popular in the 1990s. It became popular once again in 2013 when the song Macarena by Los Del Rio was played at a sporting event. To do the Macarena, you start off with your right arm out to your side and then put it behind your back. And it goes on to explain how to do the Macarena. So now you could see, just by typing 2 simple keywords into this and hitting generate, we have 2 paragraphs of content. So now you could see this blog here. You'll just do the same thing until you have a coherent piece of content. And you even have this little gauge over here that's going to tell you how optimized. It's a content score. It's going to tell you how optimized your content is. So right now, for the keyword that we put in here, Easy Dance to Learn on TikTok, we're about 40% optimized. So if we went and created 5 or 6 more of these paragraphs, you can almost bet that this arrow would be in the green. And it's telling us, look, if we want to rank for this keyword, we're probably going to need about 450 to 500 words. We're going to need more headings, more images, and more paragraphs, right? So this tool literally does the work for you. It makes it idiot-proof. It takes all of the thinking out of it. So you can literally just tell this tool what you want. It creates it, and then it's as simple as copying this and then coming over and pasting it on your website. It literally could not be any easier. So there's an easier way to do all of this. Like I said, this has generated about 342 clicks per month, 250 organic clicks per month to my blog. Now I have another website that's been getting thousands of organic clicks per month, and I've been using a different method for that. What I've been doing with that one you can find at profitpassively.com, And this is my course on how I turn short form videos into affiliate sales. Basically the same exact process I showed you here with creating a blog using AI. You could do with videos, only instead of creating a blog, you are creating videos. Now I create my videos manually, but if you want to use AI, on this same page, howtorank.com/links, I also have an AI video creation bot. So you could literally, just like we gave this text creation bot keywords and it created us an article, you can use the video creation bot, give it a keyword, and it will create videos. So then what you want to do is upload those videos wherever you can as short form content. Like I said, I have a whole course here that goes into detail. It's about 2 hours long, 7 different videos showing you step by step how to set everything up that you're going to need, how to create videos that actually get views. And that's the most important part, right? Because you actually want to get not only views on the video, but you want people clicking through to your affiliate offers so that you can start seeing those clicks coming through in your dashboard. And the more of these clicks you get, the more likely you are to get leads, which is going to turn into earnings for you, which will then get sent directly to your bank account. So I hope this helps. I hope you take action and try CPA marketing for yourself, because like I said, this is a way to get paid without selling anything. Nobody has to buy anything. All someone has to do is put their email address into a box and you earn money. It's literally that simple. So like I said, if you have a website that's already getting traffic, it would be really easy to come over here to Max Bounty, search through here, and find an offer that will resonate with your audience. And if you're new to this, if you don't have a website, it would also be super easy to just grab access to Shine Ranker here, use the tool to find the keywords, do your keyword research, grab the tool, paste it into the content editor, copy your content, paste it on your website, and then that's it. You're done. You just got to wait a couple weeks or a month until Google indexes your site and you start getting traffic, and that's it. So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope this helps, and I hope you start making a bunch of money online with CPA marketing. Take it easy.